Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. From today onwards, we are going to see the solutions of CSES problem set. So, this is the curated problem set of 180 problems. If you will do this, then you will have a good grasp of on your competitive programming journey. So, let's get started with this weird algorithm. What this problem statement says is consider an algorithm that takes as input a positive integer n, and if n is even, then the algorithm divides it by 2, and if n is odd, then the algorithm multiplies it by 3 and adds 1. This is pretty simple, so let's quickly take a look on that. So yes, as you can see that if the input is 3, so how we can say this, let me take it. If the input is 3, this is odd, so what my task is to just multiply it by 3 and add 1, so the output will be 10. If it is 10, it is even, so simply divide it by 2 and it will become 5. Now this is odd, so simply multiply it by 3 and add 1, so it will become 16. So we will have to do this until and unless we will reaching to 1. So it is 16 divided by 2, it is 8 divided by 2, it is 4 divided by 2, it is 2 divided by 2. So it will become 1. Finally, this will be our sequence of output 3, 10, 5, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. This is ultimately what our task is to do. Let's quickly take a look on the code. So, yep, what we can write here is if n is even. If n is even, then simply n equal to n by 2 and C out of n. Yes, that's what we can do here. Pretty simple. If, or we can say here, not if, we can write the else condition. Okay. Else, it means n is odd, right? So if n is odd, then n equal n into 3 plus 1. And simply C out n. So this condition will execute until and unless while n is not equal to 1. Okay. See, here I can take long as a variable and n, simply take that input, and while n is not equal to 1, here my task is to see out n also. Okay, and until and unless n is not equal to 1, simply check if n ka percent 2 equal 0. If it is 0, then n equal n by 2, and yes, see out n. Else n equal n into 3 plus 1, see out n. Okay, let's check it. If I will give input as 3, then what will be my output? Okay. So see, 3, 10, 5, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. That's what we want. That's what we want. Quickly check for 6. So yes, 6 as it is, then divided by 2, 3, 3 is odd, so 3 into 3 plus 1, 10, and simply after 3 the sequence will be same, 3 5 like 5 16 8 4 2 1. So yes, let's submit this. So here you can choose a file. So this is my file code, and let's check it. Status is accepted. So you can see the submission time 8/19/43, 12/7 to 12 July. So yes, this was our solution. If you guys like it, then please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you so much.